Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Bife, and in today's video we are going to be talking about electric circuits. In today's video we are going to be talking about what are electric circuits and how do they work. Okay, so have you ever turned on a light switch? Okay, you click the switch, the light bulb turns on, right? But have you ever wondered, how does that work? It's because when you flip the switch, electricity flows through an electric circuit and it turns on the bulb. But what exactly is an electric circuit? It's basically what an electric circuit is basically a path that electricity goes through. So electricity comes from a power source, okay? And it takes this path to a device, okay? For example, maybe some random device, a light bulb, or any electrical device, okay? Basically the device takes that power, okay? It takes the energy, and then the rest of the electricity goes back to the power source, okay? And that's more or less the basic gist of an electric circuit, okay? So the main components you're going to want to have in an electric circuit is one, the power source, for example, a battery, okay? So the power source, then we have the wires themselves, which allows the electrons to flow through, okay? So let's say we turn it on, okay? The electrons flow through the wires, and eventually they'll reach the load, which is the device you want to use the electricity to turn it on, right? For example, a light bulb, maybe some device, okay? Let's just put it as a light bulb, okay? So the electrons go through the wires from the power source, go to the load. They basically convert that electricity into energy. In case, for example, for a light bulb, it turns the electricity into energy, which the energy is turned into heat and light, okay? So once it gives out that energy, it goes back through to the device. There's also a switch. Now, why is there a switch? Well, there are mainly two types of circuits, okay? Open circuits and closed circuits. When a circuit is closed, okay, so for example, the switch is closed, the path is fully complete, okay? The electrons can get to the one side, give out the energy to the device or the load, and then come back to the power source, okay? Fully complete. If it's open though, for example, we take the switch and open it, okay? The path is broken and the electrons can't get through it. So for example, let's say, again, you take a switch, right? You flick it on. When you turn it on, you close the circuit, okay, completing it. And when you turn it off, it opens the circuit, stopping it, okay? Now that's basically how that works. Now, where are electric circuits used? Well, almost any electric device, okay? Phones, personal computers, TVs, cars, devices, and almost every electronic device uses electric circuits. And that's more or less basically how they work. And well, that's basically it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.